friends, and welcome back to part 3 of the series Transcending Your Suffering. Now, suffering is a terrible experience for most people. However, there is a flip side to suffering. And let me explain how. So, when a child is suffering, the child gets more attention compared to their siblings. When an adult is suffering, the adult gets more concession compared to their counterpart. So, when people are suffering, they can get away from daily routine. They can seek kindness, fairness, love, care, sympathy, change, even a cause to fight for. So you need to ask yourself an honest question. What would be your benefit when you suffer or as and when you're suffering? So when you understand that benefit, you need to evaluate the cost and benefit ratio. And if you realize that somewhere you are paying a heavier price, when you're suffering compared to what you're getting, then naturally you will find a way out of the suffering. And one of the ways you have already chosen is to listen to what I'm sharing with you now. And together, it is possible to discover that life is easy, life is effortless, and life is a lot of fun. So you need to decide, are you ready? And if you're ready, stay tuned and wait for part 4. Thank you.